and Evans Street.
I got the car, Peoples and RDA.
Yeah, information of GSD radio.
Go.
He cut off on Peoples.
Give me the air. Peoples northbound towards Oak Street. GSP is behind him. GSP pit. Show me your hands. Get the out the car. Open the door. Open the door.
So you're trying to kill us. You're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill us. Oh my gosh, you're trying to kill me. Why would y'all do that, man?
Get out.
Please don't. Don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Y'all trying to kill me. Don't fight me, man.
Get on the ground.
Don't fight me. Stop, don't fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. He don't stop trying to fight me. Please, stop. Please.
Put your hands down.
Put your hands. I don't know how to actually bring it to us. He hit us. That's messed up. He hit us. He's trying to kill us. He hit us. That's messed up. Oh, please.
Everyone, thanks for your GSP. Appreciate you coming over also. That's what we do.
He hit us. That's messed up.
4144 radio. Supervisor.
See, come here. I can show you what you got. I can show you. My phone is in the car. Please, yes.
Okay, you did it.
No.
You did a good job. Man.
No.
You did a good job.
Excuse me.
You okay?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna take it to your mom. You alright? You okay?
My mom called you?
Yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did.